Welcome to JH. Base44 has officially entered the chat with a new marketplace where you can sell AI-built apps and templates. But can you actually make money with it in 2025, or is this just another digital lemonade stand? Base44 is an AI-powered no-code builder that lets anyone create apps without touching a single line of code, which is perfect for those of us who still find Excel intimidating. It has evolved from a simple builder into a full monetization platform where paid users can list their creations and keep 100% of the revenue. You can sell reusable templates or build custom niche tools like CRMs and dashboards for clients who have more money than technical skills. The perks are pretty clear: no coding required, full revenue share, and global reach through their marketplace. However, there is a catch. You need a paid plan to get in on the action, proving once again that you have to spend money to maybe, potentially, make money. Since the marketplace is still in its infancy, your success relies entirely on creating high-quality templates rather than just adding to the digital noise. Base44 is currently a legitimate path for entrepreneurs and freelancers to monetize the AI hype while the platform is still growing. So, would you actually sell your own AI templates, or are you just waiting for the AI to start paying your rent too?